Want to start learning Python, data science, machine learning, or AI? One of the easiest way to set up everything you need is by installing Anaconda. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to download, install Anaconda on Windows step by step. By the end of this video, you will have Python, Jupyter Notebook, and hundreds of useful libraries ready to use. Let's download Anaconda. Simply type download Anaconda for Windows. Anaconda distribution, graphical installer, Windows 64-bit. Once your download is complete, let's install Anaconda. Click next to continue. Accept the agreement. Select just me unless you are installing for multiple users. You can keep the default installation path or select another location. Now click install and wait for setup to finish. The installation may take several minutes. There are two methods to open Jupyter Notebook. First method is press window and look for Anaconda Navigator. And the navigator will initialize. So this is Anaconda Navigator. Look for Jupyter Notebook. Click launch. It will automatically redirect a web browser. So this is your Jupyter Notebook. Now the another method, you just look for the Anaconda prompt. Type Jupyter Notebook. Press enter. And it will automatically redirect you to the Jupyter Notebook. This is the playground. Now create a folder. From here, just click this, rename that. First program. Just click, open new Python. Here, this is the notebook where you can write your code. Let's test it. Print. Hello world. Execute this cell, press shift enter or control enter to run the command, and now you can see the message print successfully. In the next video, we will cover basics of Python, in which we will cover variable, data types, input outputs, and operators. And we will get familiar with the Jupyter Notebook as well. So till then, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon.